This is the season pediatricians' offices start filling up with kids fighting colds, the flu, and ear infections. If your child suffers from chronic ear infections, ear tubes could be the solution.
That exact moment of us having to leave our child, putting the mask over their face, they're small, they're little, there's a big bed, they're laying in it, and that was probably the scariest moment for my husband and I.
All three of Amy Sante's sons have undergone surgery for ear tubes. Luke was a toddler when his pediatrician recommended the procedure. Fluid in Luke's ear canal was causing hearing loss and speech problems.
My other two had frequent ear infections, and we would have one a month, one every other month. They never would go away.
We see seasonal variance in recurrent ear infections. We as specialists will see a child after they've had several infections, so usually that doesn't start for us until September, October, but clearly the winter is a busier time.
Anesthesiologist Jill Beelan understands parents' fears and anxiety when their child's about to undergo surgery. The doctors here treat each child like one of their own while in their care.
It's natural to have those feelings, that anxiety is okay. And then I tell them they've already done a wonderful thing by coming to a pediatric hospital where there's pediatric surgeons, pediatric anesthesiologists.
Parents should know ear tubes don't guarantee that your child will never have another ear infection. And like with all surgeries, there are risks involved. Sometimes an ear tube can cause scarring of the eardrum. It can in many cases, but should not affect hearing. And in about 2 to 3% of cases, the ear tube can leave a hole in the eardrum.
And that risk is not very high, and those holes can be fixed. Usually cause less of the hearing loss than the actual fluid or infection.
For Amy Sante and her family, coming to Children's Healthcare of Atlanta for ear tubes benefited them in more ways than one.
For us, the family, we weren't spending our days in the doctor anymore. And I just think overall their health improved. They were happier kids.
For more information, go to our website at cbsatlanta.com.